So I work at an MNC. So welcome to Bangalore traffic. Hey, that's definitely not water. Hey, dude. I don't know if it's because of the first day that I'm doing this. I am feeling a little nervous. Yes, sir. The first bump to the action camera when I'm putting up my visor. This is all very new to me. So yeah, people who are here. So this is my first video. Technically the first video. So this is my first video as a to-be motovlogger. So I just wanted to give this a try for a very long time. I don't know how all the setup is going through. I have made some desi jugaad. I don't know. Let's see what happens. Hope everything gets captured pretty well.
A few minutes later.
I'm sure that the wind noise is not that much in the mic. Okay. So I work at an MNC. I started working 4 years ago. I got this bike last year. I mean, March 28th to be exact. So it will be almost 1 year in another 2 months. So had a pretty good time. Ridden 7.5 kilometers as of now. And I must say, it is good. This bike is very good. I just gave the money just for the power, just for the 40 Nm torque and 40 PS of power. So let's see how it goes, how this new motovlogging thing goes. So I recently got the mic from a friend, got the action cam from So yeah, where was I? I don't know. This is all very new to me, talking continuously. I used to listen music in a very low volume. So I used to listen music when I ride, and not that loud. Enough you thinking like, okay, he does wear music when riding, and he won't be aware of the what's going on presence. So no, nothing like that. I will be totally aware, but anyhow, just to pass the time, I'll be always wearing any earphone. So I used to do that, but now because of this desi jugaad, I cannot play the music, and also the mic is very nearer to the earphone, so I think it might end up catching the music itself. This is why I bought this one. You can just ease through the traffic.
5 minutes later.
It's pretty good morning, huh? It's not that much of cloudy. There's pretty much good amount of sunshine coming. I need to reach office by 7:30, so not sure will I be able to reach it or not. Anyhow, it's no problem. I'm doing something new today.
Meanwhile,
I just do this a lot. I just rev this machine like crazy. Oh, Nice, 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 nice. I'd like to. Oh. Yeah, the one and only, the very, very, very annoying thing in this bike is the suspension. At least for me, I don't like stiff suspensions. I did not know that. I was riding a Pulsar 150 back then. It was a very old Pulsar, a 2005 model. So I was riding that. Yeah. So I shifted from there. So anyway, it is, I don't know, in some aspects, the suspension of the Pulsar was better than this.
Just there.
Move it, boys, move it. So welcome to Bangalore traffic. This is at 7:10 in the morning. So just imagine how bad it will be in the peak hours. Yeah, speaking about the bad suspension, and this road is a very good example for bad suspension. The road is not smooth, so it has that small bumps, and for me, I can feel every bump. That is one disadvantage in Guerrilla. But apart from that, everything is very good. I mean, the pickup. I mean, I'm getting a decent amount of mileage too. Oh. Ah, look at that sun beaming towards me. Come on. Don't do that. I don't have an ND filter yet.
हाँ ये कर लो पहले.
I can cruise easily. 101 and all. It's easy for this.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
What are you spilling there, brother? Hey, that's definitely not water. Hey, dude. Because I smelled kerosene back. I mean, I smelled the petrol. I really don't know if that's water or not. What is that? I don't know if it was water or not. $7.15, Guru. In Guru.
Two very boring minutes later.
You know, at the peak winter season, when you come here at 7, the sun, you won't be able to even see the sun. So it will be that foggy, that cloudy, that misty, you know. Now, I don't know. The winter's not that much. I mean, it's almost about to end, and even the cold has come down a little bit. So, come on, mister. Oi.
Oi oi oi.
I still haven't ridden this bike very much. I mean, I still need to ride it though. 1,000 is not that much. I still need to go on rides. I mean, if this YouTube thing works out, I'm able to make a decent amount of videos, and if I can edit these videos okay-ish, I'll start this as a hobby. I'll go on rides, I'll capture the moments, let's see what happens. Woo. Ooh. I don't know, the chill is there.